Good morning, Internet fam. It is June 7th, 2018, and it is a beautiful sunny day out here in San Diego. I've got a bunch of IT work I'm going to have to get into very soon, so I figured if I didn't shoot the vlog now, I was going to have to wait till way later in the afternoon or maybe even the evening. And, the crypto market moves fast, so I didn't want to wait like that. So I'm going to get into it earlier, faster, quicker, better. Bitcoin up just about 1% after the big news yesterday from the SEC chairman saying that Bitcoin is in fact a currency, not a security. I'm surprised actually that it didn't go higher than this, given that news. I was definitely expecting bigger gains this morning based on that news. That is something that the overall market has been waiting to hear about, and it was positive news, but apparently the market didn't react as much as I expected on that positive news. So anyway, up 1%, so that's good news. Market cap still up over 340 billion. Still hovering right around a third of what the Apple Corporation is worth. So still very low times for the crypto market overall, especially when you compare it to the traditional Wall Street market. So Bitcoin being up a pinch did bring a few other things up a pinch, but really, almost stagnant. Not seeing a lot of movement. Cardano down a pinch today for some reason. Neo down a pinch. Most of these aren't really moving much either way. Neem up a bit today. Pretty low numbers over here though. Not huge changes. OMG up a pinch. Heard some news about OMG yesterday, but I can't remember what it was. Eternity up a pinch. Decred down just a hair, literally just a hair. Sia coin up 5% almost, so something must happen with Sia coin. Nano up almost 6%. R chain down almost over 7%. Anyway, that's the grandma coin market. Not too much movement. It seems like almost everything's pretty much stagnant. We're seeing sideways motion across the whole thing. Let's check out the MasterNode's overall graph. Again, more MasterNodes are being brought online every day. Slowed down a little bit the last couple of days, looks like. But let's see. So we got 172, 171. So only 200 MasterNodes came online yesterday. 230. That's definitely less than normal. The day before that looks like over 1,000 came online. So yeah, oddly slow growth on the MasterNodes today. Let's check out Dash Dominance. It's one of my favorite stats to check out. Dash Dominance down to almost its all-time low, 63.88%. 1.8 hit 63.4%. So we're getting really close to the bottom that has ever been. That's good news. I apologize. I am still a bit under the weather. It happens. So as a result of the market being kind of stagnant, the MasterNode market is also a little bit stagnant. There were some big ups and downs today, though, so we'll talk about those. Gossip coin up 300% today. That is a crazy amount. So I don't know. If you're a hodl, Gossip coin might be a good day to sell some, because that's a crazy growth. Minochi up almost 9% today, putting that MasterNode really close to $1,000. So definitely some ups for that. Zuma coin down 28% today to back down to 339. This coin has been so volatile, going up and down, up and down. So you could probably make money just buying and selling Zuma coin every week if you wanted to. Shekel coin down a little bit. So might be a good day to get in Shekel. Dextro up over 10%. Some big games for Dextro. Not sure what's happening there. But see, Cubic or QBIC is up almost 5%, up to 257. Pure down another 2.5%. That is just a very low price for the Pure coin, so might be worth talking about that at some point. Let's go talk about it. Let's talk about Shekel too. And let's talk about Zuma. Why not? Some good buy options out there. Oh, we got to talk about a Nova coin. A Nova coin only up 0.10%, which is a crazy low amount, considering today they announced not only their white paper, but also that they were going to have an exchange done very soon. So, not sure why Nova is so stalled, given all the good news around that coin. Bulwark down 5%. It was a good buy option yesterday. It looks like it's still a good buy option today, maybe even a better buy option. GoByte up 11%. Woo! Let's talk about GoByte a little bit. That's some big gains for that coin, and I got a few viewers who I know follow that coin, so who knows what's going on. Let's go take a look. H2O coin up 126%. We'll see about that. There are a lot of masternodes out there for H2O coin. Interesting. Crowd coin up 66%. Up to $50 for a crowd coin masternode. I'm going to have to talk about that a little bit. Don't know why that is, but that's crazy. Essence hitting this zone for the first time ever. This looks like a brand new coin, and it's up 61%. I guess we can go talk about that. There are 1,000 masternodes out there worth talking about, right? And I do have a lot of fans following my vlog now who are into Neutron, so better go take a look at that. Down 3%, definitely a good buy day for Neutron, looks like. And of course, Social Send up 3%, but still hovering right around that $500 mark. So looks like it's struggling to stay up past 8 cents a coin. Purecoin is a very high ROI coin. Well, not very high OR, but decently high ROI coin. 137% for Purecoin masternodes. That means if you're holding $1,356 worth of Purecoin and running that masternode, you could be getting 18.7 Pure a day. That's $5 a day. So fairly good income on a fairly low investment. And again, that's right now when the price is very low. It's down another 3%, and it is just absolutely stagnated recently. I mean, you can see that if you draw the line on this one, it looks like we'd need to be somewhere like that, and we should be hovering right around maybe the $2 price. And right now, each coin is 27 cents. So I see no reason for this coin not to 10x again in the immediate future. And if it does 10x, then you'd be making $50 a day instead of $5 a day. So that's a pretty big deal for Purecoin. It is a little bit maybe one of the riskier ones, but it does pay very well, so we're thinking about. Shekel coin down again today, surprising. 239 for Shekel masternode, because you do need 25,000 of those. Again, another decent high ROI coin, almost 200%. That 239 gets you $1.23 a day, almost $9 a week, almost $40 a month, and almost over $450 a year. That's at this very low price. Again, another little bit riskier one. It's not on any of the centralized exchanges. Hasn't been around that long, but decent ROI. And if you can get into it, now might be the time, because I do see this coin recovering a little bit. Zuma coin down 30%. I have not really followed Zuma coin. Don't really know much about it. Let's open up the website and actually take a look at Zuma coin. Down 30% today. So that's down significantly. $338 from a Zuma coin masternode. This has been one of the more volatile coins I've seen in the market. It is just up and down all over the place. Again, apologize for being under the weather this week. It is what it is. It hasn't been out that long. It's only been out 108 days, but it does have a 1-minute block time. It's not on that many exchanges, so this is a riskier one. But that 338 with the 263% ROI income gives you almost $250 a day, almost $17 a week, $73 a month, and almost $900 a year. So decent pay on this Zuma coin. Let's take a look at the website and see what's up with Zuma coin. Decentralized database for developers. Oh, that's right. I read about this one. So that does make sense too, because if they're trying to make it really perform well for people writing, you know, video games, other apps, and stuff like that. Look at this. They're really checking their boxes on the roadmap here, huh? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why this one's had such a big drop today, but it might be worth getting into ZumaCoin at this point. So, the MasterNode setup instructions right there. I don't know. Might be a good day to buy ZumaCoin. Look into it, fam. Innova had a big announcement today. They are going to be releasing their white paper very soon, as well as decentralized exchange as well, based on Innova too. 2-minute blocks. Innova's been around for a while. This is another one that I'm just really shocked about the low price. $360 for a Innova MasterNode. ROI of 117. That pays $1.15 a day, $8 a week, $34 a month, and $422 a year. But again, that's at a very low price. Even with the good news, it's just failing to get up at all. So not sure why that is. Innova might definitely be a good buy. Go buy it, starting to really kick in now, up 10% today. I was expecting this. In fact, the $3,500 mark for the MasterNode is still very cheap for GoByte if you look at its, you know, historical record here. You know, I think that GoByte coins should probably be right around the, I don't know, $15, $18, $20 mark. And right now, a GoByte coin is only $3.50. So if it gets back to its $15, $18 mark, you know, these gains are going to be huge. Right now, you're making $12 a day, $84 a week, $360 a month, and $4,400 a year. But again, if it gets back, you know, if a 3x is back to where, or 4x is back to where it has been traditionally, you'd be making a lot more money than this. You'd be making $50 a day. What is that a week? Say 12 to 50 is, well, $50 a week. $50 a day means $350 a week, right? Which means, yeah, you'd be making in a week what you're making in a month right now. If it returns back to its 4x price, which wouldn't surprise me. They did show a sample of their upcoming mobile wallet, and it did look really, really good. Best looking mobile wallet I've seen, and look at all those exchanges. Yeah, definitely believe in GoByte. Could be something worth taking a look at. Crowdcoin up 35% today. This is a MasterNode that costs $40 right now for 1,000 Crowdcoin, and that pays you back about 25 cents a day. It is on a bunch of the exchanges, so Crowdcoin is not, you know, a noob coin. I'm not sure why I had the huge gains today, but you know, this might be your last chance to get into Crowdcoin before it moons, because this is definitely looking like it's getting some motion here. Not sure why. Essence Coin, brand new coin, super risky, right? I mean, look at it. It's only been out 20 days. 1,000 S coin right now costs 32 cents, and that pays you almost 9 cents a day. So, you know, here's a MasterNode you can get for 32 cents and start earning that passive income with your 32 cents investment. Very risky, but hey, you're risking 32 cents. Imagine this coin goes to $1 and you're making $272 a day on a 32 cent investment. Could happen. Stranger things have happened in the crypto market. Neutron down again a little bit. Very surprising. I just cannot believe Neutron has just been absolutely squelched in this recent downturn. Down 2%. That means that MasterNode right now is under $2,500. Very good price for a Neutron MasterNode. They are being listed on more and more exchanges every day, as well as just, you know, the team is putting in a lot of work on GitHub. And even right now today at this low price, you're still making $90 a month. So might be worth thinking about getting a Neutron on a day like today when it's down a little bit more. Social Sign up 2%. Still surprisingly low. Again, MasterNode under $500. I do expect this to pop back up as soon as the market starts to recover in any kind of significant way. almost 70 cents a day, almost $5 a week, almost $20 a month for social send. That's it for today, fam. I'm going to keep it very short, A, because I'm not feeling that great, and B, because I got to go do a bunch of IT work today. So definitely some buy opportunities in the market still today what's today, Wednesday? Thursday. It's Thursday today. I'll be going to the crypto roundup this afternoon in Encinitas. If you guys are around for that, I'll see you then. Otherwise, that's it for today. As usual, fam.